good morning. Good afternoon now, it's 12:40. Usually I don't even wake up till right now, but found this on Pinterest yesterday and I really wanted to try it today. See how it worked for me and if it made me like more productive during the day, which it has. It's basically this, when I wake up, I will, and it's like a list of things to do when you wake up before like the day starts basically. Also, I've been like super into Pinterest lately again for some reason, so I'm gonna leave my Pinterest down below if you guys want to like follow, and I'll follow you back and we'll have a good time hanging out there together. I found so many different like recipes and home decor and like inspo for photography and motivation and all that good stuff. I also saved this picture on my Pinterest, but basically it's stretch, workout, shower, put on favorite perfume, brew coffee, open curtains, read the Bible. I don't have a Bible, but if you guys are into that, that's good too. Gratitude journal, turn on your favorite station, which mine's just a podcast, make a healthy breakfast. I'm really a breakfast girl, and it's also already like almost 1 o'clock. So I made, it is the Amy's brand. It's like an organic bean and rice, gluten-free situation we got going on, and some sweet potato fries that I accidentally burned a little bit. That is what I am currently enjoying at the moment. So that's my breakfast. Take vitamins and get ready for the day. I haven't gotten ready for the day yet, but not leaving the house until a little later, so I thought I would just stay cozy and comfy in my robe. I recently saved like a cleaning tips. It has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like what room to focus on, like what to do in that room. And then there's like the daily at the bottom. So daily is like make bed, do dishes, straighten up. I didn't make my bed because I am washing my sheets today, and then I did do the dishes, and I straightened up for the most part. Like for example, today is bedroom day, so like change the sheets, clean the mirrors, clean the fans, sweep and vacuum floors, declutter for 10 minutes, and then like laundry day for today is sheets. So like I wash my sheets today, my blankets and pillowcases. So I actually have to do that very soon because I forgot. I wanted to do that now, but this is fake by the way. I'm just going to be working on my outline for one of my classes that I have to do. It's going to take a pretty long time, so I have something important to do during the day. I can't focus on anything else until that gets done. Like I'm just stressed out or anxious about it, and I don't like feeling that way, so I'd rather just like knock it out now and then be finished and get through my other like less important chores of the day. So right now I'm going to work on that outline for a little bit. Currently going gluten-free and dairy-free and trying low carb, but I know it's very overwhelming to do all of that at once. I'm basically already dairy-free except for cheese, so I'm not going to be eating cheese anymore, or if I do, it's gonna be very rarely. And gluten-free, I'm heading to Walmart today. I've done a list last night of all the ingredients that I need or I'm getting, all the substitutes for like gluten. Also saved so many recipes on Pinterest for like gluten and dairy-free, and I want to try those, so I wrote down all the ingredients for those recipes basically in the same area. So if I just get like bulk items, you know, we're all good. I'll be completely compliant with that, except for a really special occasion like my wedding or something, you know. That is the new goal. I'm gonna go to Starbucks, second coffee of the day, gonna need it. Able to film much in Walmart because it was so freaking busy. I ended up not really straying at all from my list. I think I got like 2 little random things that weren't on my list, but that's the best I've ever done. So let's have a round of applause for me. I was able to find probably 85 to 90% of gluten-free substitutes, which was really awesome. A list of things I want to get from Whole Foods just because there's obviously going to be more stuff there. It's like dairy-free and gluten-free and stuff. Hold on. Tonight I think I'm gonna make buffalo taquitos. I'm really excited about that. So this is the fit. I have my sunglasses, my gold chain that says E, I got it from Amazon, just my oversized graphic tee, some sweats, and my tennis shoes. Let me just unpack because it is cold outside now, but it is hot when you're doing a bunch of work, and checking out makes me sweat and bringing in groceries makes me sweat. So let me just unload all of this stuff and I'll show you guys like what I got. Also, here's an update on the cat. Look how big she is. I'm upset because I could have been charging my camera the whole time I was gone, but instead now it's dying, and I really wanted to show you guys everything. So I'm gonna quickly show you. I just got some avocados, lemons, apples, jalapenos, garlic, chicken for Chance, tilapia and salmon for Chance, got some chives, some rosemary, zucchini, bananas, got these sparkling waters for Chance, I got frozen berries for acai bowls, green beans, hot dogs and turkey bacon for Chance, the best vegan cheese in the world to make grilled cheese with, vegan butter. This is gluten-free and it's brown sugar maple meal. I have some, but I don't think it's gluten-free, so this is perfect. Chocolate chips, vegan dark chocolate ones, some honey, some yams, Propel for a Chance to put in his water, baking soda, coconut milk for another recipe, smooth and creamy peanut butter made with just peanuts, onion powder. I got some quinoa to try, gluten-free tortillas, regular tortillas, apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, huge thing of cashews, the most delicious gluten-free burritos, gluten-free bread, almond flour, tapioca flour, hash browns, some Lunchables for Chance, vegan eggs, a little Kind bar, some yogurt, and some plain yogurt. And then I got some milk for Chance and some cranberry juice for Chance. More of these to refill for washing. Then Reagan and I got matching. We have like 3 matching nightgowns together, but we got a 4th. They have Christmas ones out, so we got the Let's Snuggle one. And yeah, that's it for the haul. So I just got finished organizing. I didn't really do that much in the fridge, but I just made it like look a little nicer. I organized the shelf to the best of my ability right now. Here is my shelf. So I have my nuts, some rice cakes, a bunch of like, I have 2 almond butters, 2 peanut butters, coconut oil, some little packets, a Kind bar, some dark chocolate, cocoa powder, my big thing of cashews, the quinoa I just bought, acai powder that I'm going to use with those berries I bought. And I found these gluten-free pretzel crisps last time I was at Walmart, so I got these. This is just yellow lentil pasta. Got brown rice, black beans, tomatoes, diced tomato sauce, refried beans, and then I have baked beans back there. And then down here is kind of a disaster, but it's like an organized disaster, if that makes sense. I just pulled up everything that we need. These are the ingredients for the vegan cheese that I'm gonna need for the actual like chickpea mixture. And then I have my gluten-free tortillas. Let's see how well this turns out. Hi, it's me at 8 o'clock at night, a couple hours later. So let's get started. First and foremost, I've got to put on Sam Smith. Came out with a new album. Highly suggest going to listen. Definitely forgot to show you guys this process because I put the frickin' chickpeas in here without being mashed. So I had to take it off of the heat after like half the ingredients were in and mash them, and I barely even did a good job on that. Not sure if this is what it's supposed to look like, but it looks like a good filling. I can't describe to you guys how good this album is, holy shit. Put the little crispers in the oven. We have 3 each, and then I brushed them with a little bit of vegetable oil so that it'll be extra crispy. I'm so scared of vegan cheese sauce. I don't know why, but like it has to be the perfect consistency. Ooh. Guys, this is what it said it was gonna look like. This is what it looks like. I clearly messed something up. I did everything exactly the way it said. Taquitos, however, look super fire flames. It just literally looks like throw up. Taste it and it doesn't taste that bad though. Like it kind of tastes coconutty, which is a little nasty, but at least one of the things went right, so we'll see. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, I popped off with these. I just took a little nibble. So crispy and so good, and it's like pretty healthy. 10 out of 10. The cheese, I don't even know if I'm gonna eat it, but I'll give it a 1 out of 10 for sure. Thank you guys for coming along in a day in my life, a productive day in my life. Maybe this will like give me some channel ideas, trying to go gluten-free, and like I can help anyone else out who is like trying to eat better, or not trying to eat better, but like trying to eat on this specific like lifestyle that I am. I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for coming by and stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.